Good morning, student. In the last classes, we have seen the chapter obligation of integral, and we have solved some questions of area and area of bounded region. Okay, we have solved the area of subsided region. Now, then today we are going to start differential equation, under which there are three types, and which are separable or variable and homogeneous differential equation and linear differential equation. Okay, students, so we will see one by one, and the concept I think we have discussed already. So we will today solve some board examination questions. Okay, so let's start. First question is, solve sec square x tan y dx plus sec square y tan x dx is equal to 0. Solve dy. Now we have to solve this differential equation. So first what we will do, we will write dx tan y dy dx is equal to minus sec square y tan x dy. Okay, students. Now we separate the variables. We will write x with x to the left hand side and right to the right, y to the right hand side. So we can write sec square x by tan x dx, and here minus sec square y by tan y, and here dy. Okay, student. Now we have separated the variable x with dx and y with dy. Now we will integrate this. So we write integrating both sides. Okay, so we write sec square x by tan x dx and sec square y by tan y dy. Okay, student. Now let this tan x is t, so it will be sec square x dx, which is dt, and here we write tan y is m, so sec square y dy is tm. So we can write this is 1 by t dt, and this is 1 by m dm. So it will be log of t, so log of tan x, which is minus log of m is tan y, and this is log of c, we can write. Okay, now this is, we are taking left hand side, log tan x plus log tan y, and this is log of c. Now this we can write log of tan x tan y log of c, and the result will be what? Log and log will remove from both sides and we get our result, which is tan x tan y is c. Okay, tan x tan y is c. Okay, student, I hope you understand. Now we see the next question. This was the question which is based on first method. Variable are separable, because we are separating the variables we are taking x with dx and y with dy to the left hand side and to the right hand side. Then we are integrating this and taking t for the integration, and after taking this we are taking this left hand side, and here log m plus log m into n is log c, so it will be equal to, okay. So this is our general solution of this differential equation. Now next question is find the particular solution for the following differential equation, which is 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square y square, given y is 1, x is 0. Okay, so student, this is our question and we have to find the particular solution of this differential equation. So first we will factorize this. So we write dy by dx, which is 1 plus x square plus y square, 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square, 1 plus y square dy by dx, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square dy, which is we can write dy 1 plus y square dy, which is 1 plus x square dx. Student, now this is now integrating both side we get, this is our taking integration sign dy and 1 plus x square dx. Now we write this is our tan inverse y and this is x cubed by 3 plus c. Okay student, now here we have to given that we have to find the particular solution. So for this we put the value of x and y here and find out the value of constant. So let tan inverse y is 1, x is 0, 0 plus c. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So this is our c. So our c is pi by 4. Now we substitute the value of here c. So tan inverse y is x plus x cubed by 3 plus pi by 4 student. Okay. So this will be our particular solution of this differential equation. Okay student, I hope you understand. Now we move to next question. Our next question is solve the differential equation 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y, which is equal to tan inverse x. Okay student, so first we will divide this by 1 plus x square. So we write dy by dx and plus y by 1 plus x square is e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay student, now we will compare this with py is equal to q, where p is 1 by 1 plus x square and q is our total right hand side 1 plus x square. So this is our linear differential equation student, and linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, and for this we compare p and q, write the value of p and q, and after that we find our integrating factor if, which is equal to e to the power p dx. So we write e to the power p, which is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now this will be e to the power tan inverse x. So our integrating factor is e to the power tan inverse x. Now we write the general solution, which is y into e to the power tan inverse x, integration of e to the power tan inverse x into q, which is e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Now student, we will solve it, okay, and find the general solution. Okay student, so for solving it we will take, so y e to the power tan inverse x, this is, we can write e to the power 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square, because this is 2 tan here and c. Okay, now we take we are taking e to the power tan inverse x is t, so e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx is dt, it will be right. So if we are not writing this and we are writing e to the power tan inverse x, so this is y e to the power tan inverse x, and so this term is total dt and this is our t. Okay, so this is t square by 2 plus c e to the power tan inverse x, and t is e to the power tan inverse x 2 by 2 plus c, which is e to the power tan inverse x. Now our solution will be y is, send this here, it will be 1 by 2 e to the power tan inverse x plus c e to the power minus tan inverse x. So it will be our solution. Okay student, so what we have done exactly, so this was the question which is some different from first question, second question, because this question is based on linear differential equation. So, and this type of question is like dy by dx plus py is equal to q in the form, like this form. So p is our comparing from here, p is 1 by 1 plus x square, q is e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay student, now our integrating factor is e to the power p dx, we know the formula, and our p is here. Now we can integrate this, we write e to the power tan inverse x. Now our solution, general solution of differential equation is what? Y e to the power tan inverse x, which is integration of integrating factor into q dx plus c. Now we integrate this and get our required result. So y e to the power tan inverse x is e to the power tan inverse x, and this is e to the power tan inverse x plus 1 plus x square dx plus c. Now let this term is t. Okay, so e to the power x is e to the power x differentiation, and differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 plus x square dx, which is dt. Now we put here, so this is our t and this term is dt, so we can write t into dt plus c, and this is our t square by 2 and plus c. So y e to the power tan inverse x, so e to the power 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c, and now send this e to the power tan inverse x to the right hand side, we get our general solution of that differential equation. I hope you understand, friends. Now we take another question and solve it. Let so next question is y dx plus x log y by x dy minus 2x dx is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to first find out the solution of this differential equation. So student, first we check this differential equation is which type of differential equation, and then we decide to solve it. Okay, so let first we will find out. We will send this to the right hand side and take dy common from here. So dy x log y by x minus 2x is minus y dx. So dy by dx is minus y by x log y by x minus 2x. Okay, student. Now taking negative sign outside from denominator, we get y 2x minus x log y by x. So this is our dy by dx. Now we check this after replacing x with lambda x and y with lambda y. Okay, so when we write, we can write this is our function of xy. So we are replacing x with lambda x and y with lambda y. We get lambda y by 2 lambda x log lambda y by lambda x. Now from here we are seeing that lambda y by this is cancelled, and taking outside this 2x minus x log y by x. So function of, we are seeing that this is the equation of degree 0 in. So f lambda x lambda y, this is, we are seeing that function xy is a homogeneous, and hence equation is homogeneous. This is function of, this is homogeneous function, and now we will solve this for let y is equal to bx. Okay, so this is homogeneous function. So it proved that now we will solve this homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now let for solving homogeneous differential equation, we take y is equal to bx and differentiate this. Okay, So let y is equal to bx. Now dy by dx is first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Now we replace this dy by dx with this term. Now we replace this dy by dx with b plus x dv by dx, and this is equal to it. We put at the place of y is bx, and this is 2x log by x, which is x. Taking x outside, we get 2 minus log b, and this is bx. X and x cancel out. Now take x dv by dx is, send this b to the right hand side, we get b by 2 minus log b minus b. Okay, so x dv by dx is equal to, taking LCM, 2 minus log b by, correct, we get b minus 2b plus b log b. Okay, so now x dv by dx is minus b plus b log b by 2 minus log a, student. Okay, now this is b log b minus b upon 2 minus log b. So x dv by dx is, now we separate the variable from here. Okay, so we write 2 minus log b by b log b minus b dv is dx and 1 by x. Now this 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 minus log b, and here 1 minus log b, and this we are taking common, log b minus 1, which is 1 by x dx. Now we are separating it, and we get one by b log b minus 1 and plus 1 minus log b by b log b minus 1, and this is 1 by x dx. Now taking outside minus sign, so it will be plus and it will be minus, and here is minus, so this term will be cancelled, and here will be just 1 by b log b minus 1 and minus 1 by b 1 by x dx, and b is also dv. Now integrating it, we are using the sign of integration, dv dx. We take this log b minus 1 is t, so 1 by b and dv is dt. So we can write here 1 by v dv, so 1 by t, so log of this is 1 by t, so log of t and minus log of v is equal to log of x plus log of c. Here log of c, and this is log t by v is log x c. Okay student, now t by v, now we will put the value of t which we have let, and here log and log will remove from here. Okay, so we write t by v is xc and t is bxc, and our t is log v minus 1, which is bxc. Now we put the value of b, we have taken y is equal to bx, so b will be equal to y by x, and we substitute the value of b log y by x minus 1 y by x xc, so it will be cancelled. So log y by x will be equal to either log y minus 1 y by x minus 1 is equal to yc. This will be our solution of the differential equation. Okay students, so what we have done overall in this question, first we have to given the differential equation. First we check that this differential equation is homogeneous or not, or which type of differential equation. So first we take the x, replace the x with lambda x and the y with lambda y, and in putting in the differential equation dy by dx, we have get from here that this is the homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so for solving the homogeneous differential equation, you know, we take y is equal to vx and differentiate this dy by dx is d plus x dv by dx, and we replace this dy by dx by dv by v plus x dv by dx, which is equal to, we have put y is equal to vx, and taking here and taking x common in denominator, x will reduce, so the remaining term is x dv by dx, which is equal to v by 2 minus log v. After solving this, we are sending this v to the right hand side, and dv by dx is, we are getting v by 2 minus log v minus v, and taking LCM. So after taking LCM, we are solving this, we are getting v minus 2v plus v log v by 2 minus log v, cancelling minus v plus v log v, and we can write v log v minus v, and taking v outside. Now after this, we are separating the variable v to the with dv and x with dx. So 2 minus log v by v log v minus v, dv is 1 by x dx. Okay student, now this 2 we can write 1 plus 1 minus log v, and the denominator is same, v log v minus 1, which is equal to 1 by x dx. Now student, we are taking this part separating here, so we are getting 1 by v log v minus 1 dv, here is dv also, okay, dv, and the second part is 1 minus log v by v log v minus 1, taking minus sign outside, the sign will be changed and numerator and denominator will be same, leaving v, and dv is 1 by x dx. Now this term will be cancelled, the remaining term will be this. Now integrating this, we are supposing that this term is t, so 1 by v dv will be equal to dt. Okay student, now we will write log of t this, and minus this is log v, and log of x plus log c, so we can write log m into n here log m by n, log and log will reduce. So t by b is x into c. So t is equal to b x c we can write, and t is log b minus 1, which is b x c. Our v is y by x. So x and x will reduce from here, we get yc is equal to log y by x minus 1. This will be our required the solution of differential equation. I hope you understand, students. This is the type of homogeneous differential equation. So today we have seen nearly some questions of variable or separable method, and one question of homogeneous method, and two questions are linear differential equation method. Okay, student? Okay, thank you.